Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by unplugging keyboard and mouse and measuring cable, reach so nothing binds. Once done, place a single adhesive cable clip at the nearest desk edge where both cables will enter. Then route keyboard and mouse cables together under the desk, keeping them flat and parallel. This reduces snagging and keeps tension equal. Make sure to leave a small service loop by the anchor so you can move peripherals without pulling connectors. This first action sets a clean path for the rest. You now bundle the two cables using a flexible sleeve or several reusable zip ties, spacing ties every 6 to 12 inches. This prevents tangling and balances stretch. Once bundled, attach the bundle to the underside of the desk with an adhesive-backed clamp at midspan so weight isn't pulling on connectors. Make sure to form a 2 to 3 inch service loop near the anchor point to allow slight movement. This protects ports and keeps the desk surface tidy for daily use. You finish by plugging both devices in and testing full range of movement. If you feel any tug, increase the service loop or move the anchor slightly. Once satisfied, place small adhesive cable guides at the desk edge where the cables enter to keep them aligned and prevent rubbing. If you encounter electrical noise or persistent drag, try rerouting the mouse and keyboard separately for short distance interference, or replace the sleeve with a low friction option. That single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.